Hi everyone, I'm Jeremy Slack, and today I'm going to show you how to fix your sunroof on a 2015 and even a 2016 Audi A3. Mine just stopped working, it's cold outside, I want to make sure that we are in good shape for the rest of the winter. Stay tuned, it's an easy job, you'll save yourself some money. All right, so here we go. I love this car, but it's starting to cost me a fortune. I've had some electrical issues happen, and today I just need to fix this without bringing it into the shop and dropping a few $100 or probably a lot more. I think we can pull that off and replace the switch on it. All right, the problem with my sunroof is one day I went to go open it up using this button and nothing happened. That switch right there. I did a diagnostic test, a Ross Tech, and it came back saying that it was not communicating with this switch. So I ordered a new one. It was about $100 online. We're going to go ahead and replace that. It shouldn't be too bad. The hardest part will probably just pulling all of this off, but I think we can tackle it. Tools that we're going to need. We need our switch. Got that right here. This is the one that I bought. Is you can see the part number there, 8XO959613. We're going to be replacing that. I'd grab yourself a magnetic little parts tray. They're pretty cheap. And then again, not bad at all, less than $10. You can pick up some of these pry bars, which I did over Harbor Freight. And I already have one of these T9 little Torx. That's going to really help us get that switch out once we pull off that cover. All right, let's go. Okay, so first thing we're going to want to do is pull this plastic piece. This plastic piece, it comes separated from the main housing, and I'm going to use this little pry bar and just get in there ever so slightly right behind, right in there, and just kind of give it a little tap. There it goes, and you can see that separated. So then what we're going to do is just really just work our way slowly all the way around and just kind of give it a little tug, and then just keep on going all the way around. I'm going to do that now. I can't hold the camera and do this at the same time. We'll try to set it up in the back so that you can watch. We can do this, just work our way around. Boom, that part came off. That came off over there. There it goes. And voila, there you go. Now that we got that off, that was a little nerve-wracking. It feels like you're gonna break something. You don't wanna be doing it when it's freezing cold like this, but I turned the heater on. So now we gotta pull that out. And the way that we do that, you're gonna see there's two little tabs here that just kind of like go over the headliner. And then there's some metal clips over here. So there's two clips behind here. So what I'm going to do is grab my other pry bar, and we're just going to slowly and gently work our way in and just kind of press those metal clips out. It does feel a little scary when you're doing it, but just take your time, go slow, and you really shouldn't make a huge disaster or a big mistake. Okay. All right, we're just gonna go for it. We're gonna start right behind this little tab here. Work our little pry bar in there. And then just gotta work it down. And there's that clip is in there. I can see it. Yep. Just gonna push that up. Okay. Trying to squeeze it. I don't like where that's going. Let's try it on this side a little bit. We're gonna work our pry bar in behind here. I know that the clip is there. Just gonna push it back. And it feels like it's bending a little bit. Don't worry, that was not a crack. There we go. We get our pry bar in behind that clip. And then there it goes. And then this one should just lift up. And there it is. So I'm just gonna push these clips in. I'll give you a close-up here of that. Okay, here are the clips that are behind, that get behind there. Okay, so they're right here. I'm gonna just squeeze them in a little bit so that when we push them back in, everything is okay. So now that we have this down, you're gonna find your switch. Here's the switch in the little clip. There's a little tab on the very top. We're gonna push that tab down and pull that wire harness out. I'm gonna just see if I can do that one-handed. I doubt it. Nope, I'm gonna have to put the camera down for a second. Okay, so that was really easy to pull this little wire harness out. If I can get a good picture of that, it's just slides in, and you'll see just a little tiny tab on the inside here, a little tiny tab right here. Push that down, and then you can pull it out. Now, as we're going to use our T9 Torx, you're going to see 4 black screws. I see 1, 2 there, and then 2 on the top. Really easy, lefty-loosey, pull them right out of there. And if you're not sure of the part number for your Audi, there it is. It's right on there. And you can go ahead, Google it, and you'll find something online. They're not cheap. I think I paid about $100 for it. But that was online of the dealership. They wanted $150. So saved a couple bucks. So here we go. Let's take that out. Here's when you're gonna want your little parts tray, those 4 little screws. They will disappear pretty quick on you. And then your T9 little Torx wrench. So here we go. Let's get this out of here. Ah, see right there. Oh, that's gonna be really hard to find. Darn it. Didn't follow my own advice. You are never gonna believe it. Somehow I took my pry bar and found a whole bunch of crap. I found a whole bunch of stuff. And can you see it there? There she is. Found some sunflower seeds, some change. Actually found a water bottle. I think I need to clean my car out much more often. I guess that's what happens though when you have kids. I'm just gonna blame it on my kid. All right, now that we found that screw, we got all 4. And a pair of sunglasses and a marker. Some French fries. We're good to go. So let's pop this fella out of here. Just slides right out, and there it is. It's out. Let's go get the other one. All right, now back in reverse order. Let's put that in, and I don't really don't want to lose those bolts, those little bolts. So that just slides right in. It's got some tabs in there to line it up nicely. Let's just go back. Make sure we're not tighten these too hard. They're just going into plastic. Good, good. And stripped. But feels good. All right, so reverse order. I'm gonna take these metal tabs, push them in a little bit. Oh, we better plug in our switch first. And then you know what? Let's give that a test. Switch is plugged in. Oh God, let's see if this works. This would be really nice. Ready, set. It's not working. Let's try again. Oh, my key is not recognized. That's the problem. Please work. Oh, there it is. I had a little mini stroke, to be honest with you. Beautiful. Awesome. Let's get this wrapped up, put this back in. Should be really quick. Reverse order, put these little tabs in. Make sure your wiring's up, and then we'll push that. Hopefully it just pushes right in. There it is. Grab our other piece. I should clean it off. There's a little scratch on here, but nah, that's okay. Character. Okay. Oh. Just like that. Pull it gently. Push this back in. That's it. Oh my God. Amazing. It works. Perfect. Thanks everyone. I hope to give you a little bit of inspiration to save yourself a few $100. Do it yourself. That really did not take me very long at all. I mean, I'm talking 20 minutes, and the longest part was looking for the screw that I dropped. So just don't drop any screws and you can do this, trust me. Thanks everybody.